Hello everyone, this is Vincent Pescatore. We're here in Hampton Bays at this beautiful, recently completed home. The builder did such an amazing job and I want to give you a tour of that, so follow me please. So as you walk in, you're greeted by this open space, high ceilings. You have a living room or dining area over here. Beautiful kitchen, little details like the waterfall countertops. You have cabinets under the island on both sides, farm sink, neutral colors for you to come in and make it your own. Then this space leads you into the living room area, which connects to the backyard. Nice open backyard. Now let me show you the bedrooms. So the entire house is on one floor. There's 3 bedrooms. Laundry over here. There's 2 bedrooms. We'll be sharing this beautiful bathroom in the hallway with the tub. Then this will take you into the primary ensuite with beautiful built-in cabinets. And let me show you the backyard and let me tell you about the neighborhood. All right, so we're here in the backyard. You have this carport, tons of storage, 1-car garage. This leads you into this beautiful open backyard, fully clear, nice fire pit area over here, patio around the corner. Now let me tell you about this neighborhood. This neighborhood is highly sought after. It's down the street to the bay. There's a beautiful beach club with tons of amenities, tennis, pool, bay access. Give me a call for more information.